The problem that we are going to discuss today is ceiling sum. The problem appeared in Starter 7 of July 21 and has a difficulty level of simple. The prerequisites to solve this problem include basic math. The problem statement goes as follows. We are given two integers a and b and we have to choose x that lies in the range of minimum of a comma b to maximum of a comma b such that the given expression that you can see over here b minus x divided by 2 ceil plus ceil of x minus a divided by 2 should be maximum. So this expression we have to maximize such that x should be chosen in the given range. So we have to answer what is the maximum sum that we can obtain, that is basically the maximum value of the expression if x is chosen optimally. So what is ceil of x? The definition is given over here, you can go through it. It is basically the smallest integer that is greater than or equal to x, and that is we are rounding up to the next nearest integer. So this is pretty much the question. For each test case there will be two integers as input, that is a and b. So let's get to the question. It is pretty much based on math. So first of all, as you can see over here, I have written the expression for your visualization. So you may need to use pen and paper to calculate the value of expression for different values of x. So I have divided the given question in three different cases. First of all, first case, if the value of a and b is equal, in that case the answer is pretty obvious. The answer is always 0. Right? Why? Because there is only one option for x. It is you can choose to be a or b and both are same. So if you put the value in the expression, the answer that you are going to get is always 0. Coming to case 2 is where b is greater than a. So if b is greater than a, if you simplify this expression, it comes out to be this: b minus a divided by 2 plus 1. So how to get this value? It can be easily shown that this value is always attainable. One way is that when b minus a is odd, in that case you can put the value of x as a and you can get this sum by putting the value of x as a in this expression. Or the other case can be if the value of b minus a is even. In that case, choose x as a plus 1 and then again you will get this as sum. So in any case, if b is greater than a, the answer is always b minus a divided by 2 plus 1. Now remains only the third case, that is what happens if a is greater than b. In that case also, we are going to apply similar approach to the case 2, like we'll divide it into two sub cases. First one is if a minus b is odd, and second one is if a minus b is even. So if a minus b is odd, it can be shown that the sum is always b minus a by 2, no matter what value of x you choose. So independent of value of x, the sum is always going to be b minus a by 2. You can try it for yourself by taking some random numbers as input and trying it on pen and paper. For the other case, that is when a minus b is even, the maximum sum that you can get is actually b minus a by 2 plus 1. So this comes from the given initial expression, but the thing is it actually attainable? Is this sum attainable? So if you tinker around, you will find that for the value of x is equals to a minus 1, you can always get this sum. And the sum cannot exceed this value because this value is taken itself from the simplifying the given expression. So yeah, so pretty much the question is based on casework and maths. You have to do some kind of solving and try some examples and you will come to the same conclusion that there is some fixed set of answers which depends only on the input values. So pretty much casework is involved. So the code is also going to look like very easy. It is just take the input. If a is equals to b, then we output 0 as our answer. If b is greater than a, the answer is always b minus a by 2 plus 1. Or else, if A is greater than B, then there are again two cases. First, if A minus B is even, then again B minus A by 2 plus 1 is the answer. Or else, the answer is B minus A by 2. So this completes the solution in C++. Now, if you are new to competitive programming and want to learn data structures and algorithms from expert programmers, you can always opt for the plus subscription on Unacademy. And you can always use my referral code Darshan25 to get instant 10% discount on the same.